Welcome! In this video, we'll show you how to easily install your new crossbars. Don't worry, no special tools or professional skills are needed. Let's get started. Start by unpacking the box and laying out all the parts. Make sure you have everything before beginning. You'll find the aluminum bars, mounting brackets, Allen key, and the QR code for the video. First, use the included key to open all the mounting bracket covers. Under each bracket, you'll see a letter, L for the driver's side and R for the passenger side. After opening all the covers, cut the rubber bands around the metal connectors to prepare for installation. Peel off the protective stickers from the top of the aluminum bars. Make sure the thicker side of each bar faces the front of the vehicle. Then insert the bars into the L and R brackets, matching each side correctly. If one of the bars is longer than the other, you must use that as the front bar. Slightly loosen the metal feet that will grip your roof rails, just enough so they can fit over the rails, no need to unscrew them completely. Place the crossbars onto your roof rails, paying attention to the correct sides. L goes on the driver's side, R on the passenger side, and the thicker end should face forward. Remember, if one of the bars is longer, that one goes in the front. Start on one side. Tighten both side screws to about 50%, just enough to hold things in place. Then move to the other side and tighten those screws to 50% as well. Now, go back to the first side and fully tighten both side screws, then tighten the top screw to lock everything in. Repeat the same on the other side. Fully tighten both side screws, then the top screw. Once everything is secure, close and lock the covers on both sides. Repeat this entire process for the rear crossbar. Finally, give the bars a gentle shake back and forth with your hands to make sure they're securely mounted. And don't forget to check the safety card included in the box for all important precautions.